Welcome to RoboBuzz, the channel where we bring you the latest developments and breakthroughs in the world of robotics. For decades, people have dreamed of having robots help with everyday household chores, washing dishes, doing laundry, folding clothes, or even making a cup of coffee. Yet despite years of technological advancement, the robotics industry has largely failed to deliver on that promise. But don't be disappointed. Help is finally on the way. A California startup called Sunday Robotics is aiming to change that. The company is developing a home robot designed specifically to take care of everyday household chores. From handling routine tasks to giving you back valuable time in your day, Sunday Robotics believes the future of home assistance may be closer than ever. Sunday Robotics was founded by Tony Zhao and Chung Chi, researchers whose work has already helped shape the broader robotics industry. The company's mission is simple: build a truly useful autonomous robot for the home. Most robotics companies focus on factories and industrial environments because they are structured, controlled, and predictable. Sunday Robotics is taking on a much bigger challenge. The company is developing a robot that can operate inside everyday homes, where layouts vary, objects are constantly moved around, and daily routines are far less predictable. Successfully navigating this kind of environment is one of the most difficult problems in robotics today. Sunday Robotics has developed a robot called Memo, and it is already capable of performing a wide range of household tasks. In the kitchen, Memo can collect dishes, utensils, cups, and even delicate items such as wine glasses. It can scrape leftover food from plates, load the dishwasher, and start the wash cycle. It can even prepare a fresh cup of coffee. Its capabilities extend beyond the kitchen. Memo can load the washing machine, transfer clothes to the dryer, unload finished laundry, and fold clothes. These are everyday chores that consume valuable time, and Sunday Robotics is aiming to automate them so people can focus on more important things. What makes Memo even more interesting is its ability to learn new skills over time. To make that possible, Sunday Robotics has developed a system called the Skill Capture Glove. A person wears the glove and performs tasks naturally with their hands. The system records those movements and converts them into training data that Memo can learn from. This approach addresses one of the biggest challenges in robotics: teaching robots new skills efficiently. As more demonstrations are collected, the robot gains a better understanding of how tasks should be performed, allowing it to learn faster and become more capable over time. The idea is remarkably simple. What humans do, robots learn. Now let's talk about the robot itself. Memo stands approximately 5 to 6 feet tall, making it well suited to operate in a typical household environment. Its size allows it to reach countertops, handle appliances, and interact with everyday objects designed for humans. Unlike industrial robots that prioritize speed and productivity, Memo is intentionally designed to move at a controlled pace. Safety and reliability are the company's top priorities. After all, homes are filled with children, pets, furniture, and constantly changing conditions. By limiting speed and focusing on careful movement, Sunday Robotics aims to create a robot that can safely coexist with families while performing useful tasks around the home. So far, everything sounds impressive. But you're probably asking the same question: how much will it cost, and when can you get one? According to information released by the company, the first production units of Memo are expected to be priced at around $20,000. While that may sound expensive today, Sunday Robotics believes costs will decline significantly as production scales. The company estimates that the price could fall by as much as 50% over time, making home robots far more accessible to everyday consumers. As for availability, Sunday Robotics is targeting a launch timeframe around 2027 to 2028. That means household robots capable of performing real chores may be much closer than many people realize. The future of home robotics is arriving faster than expected, and Memo could be one of the first robots to bring truly useful automation into everyday homes. So what do you think? Will Sunday Robotics and Memo become a household name, helping families reclaim hours of their time every week? Or do you think this is another ambitious robotics project that won't live up to the hype? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to RoboBuzz for the latest updates on robotics, artificial intelligence, automation, and the technologies shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.